What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to fully disable the WordPress revisions, okay? Revisions, it's very useful in the case that you are working on your site because you can go back to a previous version of your page, of your post, okay? It's safe. However, if you take much posts, much pages and much revisions, it's gonna take a lot of space on your disk and you may need to purchase more storage, okay? And this is really bad, it can decrease the load speed of backups, for example, so it's quite problematic, so you may want to disable this. Let's learn how in today's video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is go into our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over plugins. Click into the add new button. You're gonna be redirected to this page. Review the upper right corner next to keyword. To search plugins, we're gonna type disable post revisions. I know there is another way using wp-config file that you do not need a plugin. However, if you do not have code knowledge base, you may broke your site basically. So I prefer that you do this into the safe way. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins of your site. Nothing to do right here, just review the left sidebar of menus once again. Scroll it down until you see the settings option, and from here we're gonna click into the writing, okay? The submenu writing. And from here we're gonna be able to see a new option. Let me apply some zoom. Disable post revisions. To select multiple post types, hold Ctrl key. So, note, do not select a post type if you are not sure about it. So imagine that you would like to disable revisions from your posts, okay? From your media, from your products maybe. So these custom post types will no longer have revisions as soon as I click into the Save Changes button, okay? No more post revisions, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visual Modo Borderless plugin, the best free WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up and design up your site. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can download in order to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, Growth with 3 Ws, in order to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts and connect with a growing blogging community, all for free. And of course, if you want to go premium, to unlock premium plugins, blocks, assets, templates, tools, and full access to our pre-built websites premium library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, just go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and contact our support in the case that you need any help. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!